All right, guys, another day, another vehicle. We got Sam right here too, watching the very slow process of wheat harvest. We're just about done with winter wheat. We'll finish with it today, I believe. So yeah, it means it's about barley time. Fun. Itchy barley time. Yep, yep. Okay, we're back. So we are switching to barley and just starting to do a test cut. We're gonna see if this barley is ready to go. The moisture is good on it, run a couple moisture tests on it. So here's the deal. We gotta get this crop off fast due to grasshopper damage. So we need to find a way to increase the amount of acres of this stuff that we can cut within a given period of time. So, got a little surprise for you guys. That is a custom John Deere S780, I believe. Yeah, yep, 780. So it's a custom harvester. It's not part of the Peterson crew that we usually hire, but this is who is available, and pretty awesome to have another machine helping us out here, even if it's green. This is crazy. This is gross.
They're everywhere.
What do you think about your grasshopper crop?
You know, they did pretty good this year. You know, I'm gonna hate to see them go.
Where's my phone at, Barley?
Oh, I got it, Sam.
I was taking a picture there.
I'll send you my stuff too.
Can I take? Oh, hold still.
So what's going on here, Sam?
Well, we're trying to run a moisture tester on some barley, some malt barley. We just started into it here this afternoon, and so using the mini GAC moisture tester and Farmer Matt, you know, which you get a complimentary Farmer Matt with every mini GMAC that you buy.
Pretty handy feature, especially when he has to crawl in what we just saw up in the tank on the trailer here.
We've got loads of grasshoppers this go round. We finished all the itchy barley today, and then we jumped in and tried to cut a little bit of spring wheat down at the reservation, but it was just a tad on the wet side, little too much moisture. So we're gonna give her a few days off and let her ripen up, and try to get back in it here. So that's the harvest report for today.
All
Riley.
right.
Happy birthday, dear
Loser. Badass.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Next time, we gotta get more foam.
Oh boy.
There we go.
All right, working into the evening here a little bit. I think we'll shut down for supper here before too long. Just got a load put on the Peterbilt semi. It's out of here. Rock and roll.
Supper in Northfield.
Oh, that must be our supper announcement. A little weird hearing that from Grandpa. That's usually not how it goes, but it is now.
Hello.
Yes.
Heck yeah.
I was just gonna.
Time to work. Try and beat that rain there. Let's see how late we can go. I almost ran into the combine. Oops. Well, that's going to be it for tonight. I think we're going to get rained out here. It's pretty likely. Got enough raindrops on our window that we kind of panicked and just stopped cutting. And we probably made the right decision. There's a bit of a lightning show going on right back there. Ooh, that was a bad one there in the North Moccasin Mountains I just saw there. But yeah, with the storms are rolling in. It's looking like that might have caused us some trouble if we stayed out here anyway. So we'll come back later.
At 8:42 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 16 miles south of Inverness to Geraldine to 23 miles southwest of Stanford. Movement was east at 65 miles per hour.
Ooh, they're cooking along.
Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour.
For those of you who thought that I never ever run combine and can't run combine or whatever, here's the proof. I can run it. Am I as good as Farmer Matt at it? Probably not. But every once in a while I do make it into the combine. It's just kind of hard to always be in the combine when you're also flying drones and trying to capture the different angles of harvest. That's why the truck job usually works the best for me. Sometimes the grain cart, but every once in a while gotta get a little bit of combining in. So now that we're towards the end of harvest, I jumped in here, I kicked Farmer Matt off. Well, he's still in the buddy seat. I don't think he trusts me enough to actually leave the cab, but you know what? We're getting it done. Getting the acres done, 6 mile an hour. Cruising right along in some spring wheat that's yielding about 20, which, drought considered, not terrible. Better than last year. This is the Pro 700, and you cannot see anything on this screen because it's super dim. That's one complaint we have about these older Pro 700 monitors. Well, I guess they're the current ones still in the combines, but they're dim. Like, what, we're at full brightness on here? I go into here and...
To the left to display.
Yeah, day backlight is all the way up right now. That's very interesting. All our run screens are organized for different, layers of information we might need to access. So run is like your main page. Task has everything to do with your current field and what you're cutting. The map maps out. So here you can see a bit of a yield analysis, and then that's a moisture analysis. Got a little bit of the field done, the rest is still to go. And yes, the field looks like Minnesota. Threshing, this is where we can view and change all of our threshing settings, gauges, different things you might need to know about the combine itself, the engine, and a few things with the field as well. For example, it's estimating we have 2,600 bushels remaining off this field, considering its yield so far. GPS, this is where we program the GPS, auto steer, and make corrections to that as well. That's about all we need in this screen while we're operating.